So in this video we will learn how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows. So first of all, open any browser which is already installed on your computer like Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. So I'm going to open this, which is the Microsoft Edge, and then here search w.google.chrome download. So now pull it down, and here is a Google Chrome download, the first secure. Click here. Here click on the download Chrome. Yeah, see, the file has already been downloaded. Now open this file. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. So this is connecting to the internet. So see, my Google Chrome has been installed. Choose your account here and then go on.